வெல்கம் டு சமச்சீர் கல்வி டியூஷன். இன்னைக்கு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது 6th ஸ்டாண்டர்டில் சோஷியல் சயின்ஸ் லெசனில் ஃபஸ்ட் டேர்ம் லெசனான ஃபஸ்ட் லெசன் வாட் இஸ் ஹிஸ்ட்ரி அந்த லெசனோட புக் பேக் கொஷின்ஸ் பார்க்க போகிறோம். அதுக்கு முன்னாடி நம்ம சேனல் யாராவது சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணணும்னா சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன், சூஸ் த கரெக்ட் ஆன்சர். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் கொஷின், வாட் வாஸ் த ஸ்டெப் டேக்கன் பை த இயர்லி மேன் டு கலெக்ட் his ஃபுட்? ஆன்சர், hunting. Second, match the statement with the reason. Tick the appropriate answer. First statement, prehistoric men went along with the dog for hunting. Reason, dogs with its sniffing power would find out other animals. Answer, statement and reason are correct. Second statement, the objects used by the early man were excavated. They are preserved to know the lifestyle of the people. Find out which of the following is related to the statement. Answer, museum. Third one, find out the wrong pair. Answer, cats, first domesticated. Fourth one, find the odd one. Answer, it was drawn to show his family members about hunting. Third, fill in the blanks. First one, the old Stone Age man lived mostly in dash. Answer, caves. Second, dash is the father of history. Answer, Herodotus. Third one, dash was the first animal tamed by old Stone Age man. Answer, dog. Fourth one, inscriptions are dash sources. Answer, archaeological sources. Fifth one, Dharma Chakra has dash spokes. Answer, 24 spokes. Fourth one, say true or false. First question, stone tools belonging to old Stone Age have been excavated at Athirampakkam near Chennai. Answer, true. Second one, the materials used by ancient people are preserved in the museums by the archaeological department. Answer, true. Third one, during the period of Ashoka, Buddhism spread across the country. Answer, true. Next one, match the following. A, rock painting. Answer, to understand the lifestyle. B, written records. Answer, copper plates. C, Ashoka, the most famous king. D, literature. Answer, Devaram. Sixth one, answer in one word. First question, can you say any two advantages of writing a diary? Answer, first one, source of information. Second one, record of past events. Second question, how do we know the people's lifestyle of the old Stone Age? Answer, from used stone tools, rock paintings, fossils, and other excavated materials. Third question, is inscription a written record? Answer, yes, the inscription is a written record. Fourth one, what is the proto-history? Answer, proto-history is the period between prehistory and history. Fifth one, name an epic. Answer, Ramayana, Mahabharata, Manimehalai. Seventh one, answer the following. First question, what is history? Answer, history is the study of past events in chronological order. Second question, what do you know about the prehistoric period? Answer, the period between the use of the first stone tool and the invention of writing systems is called the prehistoric period. Third question, what are the sources available to know about the prehistoric period? Answer: stone tools, excavated materials, fossils, and rock paintings are the major sources of prehistoric period. Second one, it includes potteries, toys, coins, and ornaments. Fourth one, mention the places from where we got prehistoric tools. First one, Adichanallur. Second one, Athirampakkam. Third one, Brahmagiri. Fourth one, Hallur. Fifth one, Lothal. Sixth one, Bhimbetka. Fifth one, what are the benefits of a museum? Answer: the objects used by the early man are kept and preserved in the museum. These objects help us to know the lifestyle of the people. Sixth one, name some tools used by early man to hunt animals. Answer: weapons made of stones. Second one, bones. Third, horns of animals. Fourth, weapons made of branches of trees. Seventh one, why were painting drawn on rocks? Answer: they wished to record their activities through the paintings on rocks. Second one, painting is a part of their pastime. Eighth one, name any two artifacts. Answer: toys and ornaments. Eighth one, hearts. First one. First question, how dogs were useful to prehistoric man? Answer: first point, there might have been changes of wild animals entering their caves. Second point, but they realized that dogs could help them prevent the entry of such dangerous animals. Third point, they thought that dogs by the sniffing skill would help them in such situations. Second question, compare the lifestyle of old Stone Age man with present day lifestyle. Old Stone Age man, he was a nomad, took shelter on branches of trees in holes and caves. Third one, wore dresses made out of leaves, skin of animals, and barks of trees. Fourth one, ate vegetables, fruits, and roots which he gathered from jungles. Fifth one, not civilized. Present day man. First one, settle in villages and towns. Second one, lives in well built houses. Third one, wears dress made out of cotton and other materials. Fourth one, eats all kind of food grains. Fifth one, well civilized. Next, student activity.